crazy, y'all. But this is a maintenance vlog, so what you see is what you get.
Just another react.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it done. Gotta watch the time, 'cause it's flying right.
Yeah, I like that.
I'm outside
Much better.
in an AMG,
It looks more
right
blue.
outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it done. Gotta watch the time.
I look crazy, y'all. But this is a maintenance vlog, so what you see is what you get. And I've been wearing my turban, so I'm about to wash my hair. I don't know what shampoo y'all use. I use the Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner and the shampoo. And I love these brushes. So we about to wash my hair and then do a sleek little pony.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it done. Gotta watch the time, 'cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Okay, y'all, I'm done washing my hair. I have conditioner in right now, and I'm gonna go ahead, take my shower, do my little skincare, and wash the conditioner out. And I had to wash my hair today because FYI, I'm getting my lashes done tomorrow, that y'all will see in the next vlog. Oh, and let me show you my toes. Here are my blue little toesies that I got today. So yeah, I'm about to get in the shower or whatever. Yeah, that's it for today. I'm not really showing y'all nothing else. I guess I could show y'all my Alexander Wang sweatsuit, but it's up here. My closet is really junky, y'all. Please don't judge. But I got this Alexander Wang sweatsuit and it's so cute. And I ordered this little bag. It's gonna be in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, wait till I order the earrings. It's gonna be a look. Just wait on it. But yeah, let me get in the shower. I'm gonna call y'all back. I just wanted to vlog some more today because yeah, I just needed to. But I will see y'all honestly tomorrow when I get my lashes done. So I'm gonna just call it a night. Good night. Okay, call y'all back. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is lash day. I'm on my way to get my lashes done. I go to this girl named London. Her name is London Body Me on Instagram. I'll tag her page, so if you're in the DMV area, you can book with her. As y'all can see, I washed my hair last night and I slicked it down and put it in this little pony. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving a little bun until I get my large knotless braids. I'm getting those on Saturday. Speaking of that, I need to actually text the girl and figure out if we can move my appointment. Good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
So y'all, this is, I guess, day 3 of my maintenance. So my maintenance. So I'm about to go get my hair done. I have to take Noon with me today. And we are picking up our
Food.
what kind of food?
Chicken.
Chick-fil-A. We get Chick-fil-A breakfast. So I'm about to go pick up our food and then we're going to get my hair done. Get a parking space first.
Okay, y'all. We're at the park.
We at the park. Okay, so this is zone 3. Alright, so I guess I can sit the camera right here.
Mommy, I want to go right here.
Okay, but you have to wait now. Enter space. I want to be Jada Waiter, y'all. I want to be Jada Waiter. My hair looks so cute. It's very long. Well, it's like butt length. But yeah. Shout out to my girl Ash. Yeah. It's so cute. I'm gonna show y'all a full body when she sends me the pictures. Maybe I can insert some clips and then do like a little twirl once I set my camera up when I get home. But my hair is done. I didn't record because it was just too much going on. I had Nova with me while I was getting my hair braided. It was just too much going on, so I didn't record that. But I am getting my nails done today. I'm going to record that for sure, of me doing my nails. And I need to actually pull up how I'm getting my nails done today in my phone. We got to figure that out. So yeah, I'll call y'all back once I go and I get my nails done. Okay? Okay.
I made the bumpy like the was. I put some more rocks in the box. Middle finger to the cops. Make it through real like Tupac. Let her run work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head and float. I already paid the pole. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 I feel like hands and soap. Get a beat, let it drag on the floor. And none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I feel like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. A tsunami and storm. I stay fly, I was there, boom. I made the bumpy like the was. I put some more rocks in the box. Middle finger to the cops. Make it through real like Tupac. Let her run work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I stood to the head and float. I already paid the pole. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 I feel like hands and soap. Get a beat, let it drag on the floor. And none in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I feel like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. A tsunami and storm. I stay fly, I was there, boom. I made the bumpy like the was. I put some more rocks in the box. Middle finger to the cops. Make it through real like Tupac. Let her run work cause you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off and went straight to the top. Can't fit me, I think I'm too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep shit like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try.
Got customers in it?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Cutting up.
What?
I think you cutting up.
What you trying to say?
See, I'm gonna.
There you go.
I
Yeah.
must don't know how to record. Let me do it.
You don't. Just look, it auto focuses. Alright. So y'all, I got my nails. Oh, it's cute in there. I got my nails done. Ow, ow, ow. I got snake print. And it's so cute. And I'm leaving. So y'all done got me fully cleansed. Only thing I didn't get is my wax, but that's not until next week because I go every 4 weeks. When y'all go, drop in the comments when y'all go and get y'all wax, but I go every 4. So this is week 3, so y'all won't get my wax. Y'all just get my nails, my hair, my toes, and yeah, I don't get my brows waxed that much, probably like every 3 months or so, because I still like them kind of full. Somebody up here. I hate vlogging outside in public, y'all. I'm still getting used to it, but yeah. So I'm leaving my appointment. I think I want to go get some seafood to end this vlog or whatever. I'm glad that I was able to vlog my whole experience, cause this is my first time. Good morning, y'all. So y'all have just watched my maintenance vlog, and I forgot to end my vlog off yesterday. I was extremely tired. I just wanted to show y'all how I get myself together, and that was just about it. And my nails, look at my nails. Ooh. But yeah, so if you're new to my channel, I'm Jazz. Thanks for watching this video. If you're not new, thank you for being so loyal to me. Follow me on all of my social media platforms at ZRWM. That's Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel. See y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.